Previously, we touched about some aspects of Iceland's geology, covering volcanoes and glaciers. Now we'll talk about its water and many waterfalls. Iceland's mountainous landscape, thanks to its volcanic past and present, along with relatively high amounts of rain and snow, thanks to its latitude, give the island plenty of water and plenty of paths for the water to flow downhill. Here's some fun facts before we start. Fed by meltwater and precipitation, Iceland's rivers run their course over many drops and turns, giving way to the creation and growth of many waterfalls for which the nation is known for. Found along Þjórsá, Iceland's longest river, Foss is Iceland's largest waterfall by volume of water that cascades over its drop. It is Iceland's most voluminous waterfall. Oyster catchers are known to nest on islands in the middle of the river near these falls. A wide-spreading invasive plant, the Nootka lupine, can be found along the banks and wide lands surrounding the river. Native to Middle and North America, it grows to be 60 centimeters tall and has showy, deep purple flowers. Its ability to excel in harsh soil environments has led it to spread far across the island since its introduction in the 1970s. Some, mentioning its nitrogen fixation and soil stabilization abilities, are in favor of the plant here in Iceland. Others are against it, mentioning its rapid spread as posing a risk to outcompeting native flora. Found along Iceland's south coast, Seljalandsfoss has a jump of 60 meters. It draws tourists not only due to its looks, but also a trail that leads visitors behind and around the waterfall. Moss and ferns thrive here as a constant spray of mist keeps the vegetation well watered. Right beside Seljalandsfoss is Hruframui, a 40-meter tall waterfall hidden within the cliff face, accessible by a crack in the cliff. Black lava rock encircles the opening through which this waterfall falls through. Further on down along the south coast, Skoggafoss is a large, wide waterfall with a jump of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters. Skoggafoss is found along the Skogga River. Nesting birds like kittiwakes and fulmars nest along the green hillsides around the falls. The flat banks leading up to the falls have black volcanic sand. Foss is an 18-meter high waterfall found along the Laxey-Kjos River. It is about 30 meters wide at times. Foss, a small waterfall compared to the aforementioned falls, makes up for what lacks in size by its color. It drops up to 3 meters down along the Bruara River. It gets a striking blue color from the glacial belt the river carries, the Langjökull Glacier. Along Skjaldfjallafljót, Iceland's fourth largest river, the 30-meter wide Godafoss drops 12 meters down along the river's path. Thanks to Iceland's position atop the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a lot of its groundwater can be used for geothermal power. 85% of Iceland's energy is reported to be from renewable resources. 15% of its energy comes from fossil fuels, especially oil. Around 20% of Iceland's energy is geothermal. Around 65% of its energy is derived from hydropower. One final not-so-fun fact. The last pair of great auks ever seen were caught on Elly Island, off the southwest coast of Iceland, seen here.